job on my little list on this Audi A3. It's the electric window switch on the door. I have attempted to fix it off watching someone's tutorial on here. It worked. I managed to get this driver's window working. None of the windows are working. The passenger window is broken already, but that's to do with the motor. So I know the switch works for that side of the window. It only works for the back passenger window. I want it to work for all the windows. There's the culprit. Here's the new switch, just arrived. It cost about £8, £9. So let's get this fitted. Let's crack on. So let me just show you what it's about now. So that window's working. That I've fixed through cleaning the terminals in the back. There's like little platelets in the back and you need to clean them. You can hear it, but it's not going nowhere. It's not going back up because one of the platelets is broken one side, it's missing. But that's to do with the motor in the back. This back one, I keep leaving it down because it gets really hot in here and I keep just forgetting when I park up, but that works. Then this one behind does nothing. Now I know it works because the day I got the car MOT'd and I got it back, for some reason this driver's window was working and this rear one was working. All of them were working. So, you know, I don't know what was going on there, but anyway, I'm going to change the switch now. It's just a matter of taking out some screws out of the door panel, undoing the back of all the screws that are on this, popping this off and popping the insides of that out and replacing it with the new one. Let's crack on. I've already taken this one out in there. There's one under there somewhere. Just pull it off like that. Disconnect that and it's off. Unplug this rather than disconnecting all of the wires on the back of the handles and the buttons for, you know, these things there, instead of disconnecting these. Just do that one. So now you've got to undo all these little silver screws all along, then the handle itself with the control in can come out. Now I've just noticed something undoing this. I've been undoing all of these up here. You don't need to. Just that one, this one, which I've broke, that's why I've not, and this row along here, and it's off. Then flick off that, flick out that, and press these tabs in, pull them out, press in, take out. Same with this one. What's going to happen is just these buttons are taken out to replace this. That's done easily by this here. You can see those tabs there, a little tab there, there's the same on the opposite side that you can't see. So just gently get something thin or wedge and make a gap and flick it out either side. What I do is, when I've wedged down that gap, I put some pressure on the buttons so it pushes them out. So I'll wedge the screwdriver down there and then push at the same time, and it will release it. I'll try and show you. I've only got one hand though, so put that in there. You can see it's made some of the gap. all come out, didn't even need to do the other side. And then basically, might as well show you now, here's the new one. Pop it in. We're done. Look at that, fresh. So we assemble it back together, the opposite of how you did it. Oh, well, this one fell apart. Just noticed when I went to put it in the box. You can see those little levers, what need cleaning when you take it apart. And it comes apart pretty much the same way as you took it out. Those tabs there, you've wedged something down the side of the line and pop out the insides of that. Last piece of the puzzle. I can tell you now, guys, I've tried this and it works, but I might as well not bothered because the switch that I had fixed was doing its job anyway. That's not on, as you can see, because this window's not going down, so clearly there's a problem with the electrics going to the window, or maybe the motor, like on the opposite side. But for now, the new switches are looking better. Still doing the same, but usually there's power goes to them when you stop. I think might be after running or something. But anyway, that's it, guys. Hope that helps for anyone that's fitting a new switch. See you in a bit.